fall down?
Don't eat something.
Hey, look, it's a new robot.
What kind of robot are you now?
Superman.
Superman.
Hey, Superman, why do you have that bucket over your head?
Because I'm a robot.
Oh. What are you going to do?
Present here. You try, Daddy.
You want me to put it on Mommy's head.
Okay. I'm Superman.
Mommy, what robot are you?
I am Mommy Robot.
Mine.
Oh, are you gonna be Mommy Robot?
I am Ticklebot.
I give tickles and get tickled.
I am Ticklebot.
I